Here we are at the Wolfville Watershed Nature Trust up on Forest Hill Road on Gaspereau Mountain. What a beautiful trail. Right now I'm in the back of the Havey Trail along the back side of the river that you can hear in the background. And I always enjoy this section of trail. It's the most isolated but also the most picturesque, and it's got a few leg-burning hills to give a little exercise, whether you need it or not. But it's a beautiful trail, and I'll just pan and walk with the camera for a little bit. It's mid-March, and everybody's self-isolating due to the COVID-19 virus, and I'm all out here by myself, although there are people who know that I'm here, so no worries there. And it's just a good time if you do need to get out during this crisis and you're not self-quarantine or other ailments. It's a good time just to get out and stretch your legs. We're going down one of the back slopes here in the middle of the winter. This can be very tricky with a lot of ice. So anytime during the winter we go out here, we always take our ice cleats, and the aggressive ones, not the trail runners, for there are some pretty steep hills. And now we've got to kind of skirt around this big tree that had fallen down since last fall. Maybe we'll go under. Okay. And under we did. Hard to see down in that bright spot below, but we can see the cement dam that was built way back in the early 1900s. Still there, still holding back the water. And there is a trail down to it. I'm not going to take it today, but that is a very picturesque spot there as well.